Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. English Mastery. Today, we need to talk about something very important.
Hi everyone, I'm Iqra. And yes, this is serious.
I'm Ali, and today we're going to reveal the biggest mistake people make when introducing themselves in English.
This mistake is so common. Almost everyone makes it.
And the worst part? Most people don't even know they're making this mistake.
But this mistake can make you sound boring, unconfident, or even rude.
So, if you've ever introduced yourself in English and felt like something was wrong,
Or if people seemed uninterested or the conversation died quickly,
then you're probably making this mistake. But don't worry, today we'll fix it.
before we start, please subscribe to Mr. English Mastery.
Yes, and turn on notifications because we post life-changing English lessons every day.
Give this video a thumbs up because this lesson will save you from embarrassment.
Okay, let's reveal this huge mistake. Ali, what is the biggest mistake?
Okay, here it is. The biggest mistake is...
Being too short and boring.
What do you mean?
Most people introduce themselves like this. Hi, my name is Ali.
That's it? Just the name?
Yes, that's the mistake. Let me show you more examples of boring introductions.
Example 1. Hello, I'm Ali.
Just name, nothing else.
Example 2. My name is Ali. I'm from Pakistan.
Name and country, still very short.
Example 3. I'm Ali. I'm 25 years old. I'm a teacher.
Okay, that's a bit more information, but it still sounds boring.
Exactly. Now, why is this a mistake? Let me explain.
Yes, please. Okay, so when you give a boring introduction, 3 bad things happen. Number 1, people forget you immediately. Your introduction is not memorable.
Because there's nothing interesting to remember.
Number 2, the conversation dies quickly. The other person doesn't know what to talk about with you.
Right. If you just say your name, what can they say back? Just nice to meet you?
Exactly. Number 3, you sound unconfident and uninteresting.
Even if you are interesting, your introduction doesn't show it.
Perfect. So, everyone watching, have you been making this mistake?
Don't feel bad. We're going to fix it today.
Let me tell you what native speakers do differently.
Yes, what's the secret?
Native speakers add personality and conversation hooks to their introductions.
Conversation hooks? What are those?
I'll explain everything. Let's break it down step by step. Okay, so conversation hooks are pieces of information that invite conversation.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Compare these 2 introductions. Listen carefully. Boring introduction. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm a teacher.
Okay, that's basic.
Interesting introduction. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm a teacher, and I absolutely love helping people learn new languages. I've been teaching for 5 years, and it's been an amazing journey.
Wow, that's so much better.
Right? So what's the difference?
The second one has more details. You said what you do, how you feel about it, and how long you've been doing it.
Exactly. Those details are conversation hooks. They give the other person something to respond to.
Oh, so after the second introduction, they could ask, what languages do you teach? Or what's the most rewarding part of teaching?
Perfect! You see, the conversation can continue naturally.
But with the boring introduction, they can only say, oh, that's nice, and then silence.
Exactly. Let me give you the formula for conversation hooks.
Okay, I'm ready.
Conversation hooks include your feelings about what you do, interesting details, recent experiences, your passions, something unique about you.
Can you break down each one?
Sure. Number 1, your feelings. Don't just say, I'm a teacher. Say, I'm a teacher and I absolutely love it. Or, I'm a teacher and it's incredibly rewarding.
That shows emotion and passion.
Number 2, interesting details. Don't just say your job, add context. I'm a teacher. I've been teaching for 5 years.
Or, I teach online students from 20 different countries.
Perfect. Number 3, recent experiences. I'm a teacher. I just started teaching a new class this week, and I'm so excited.
That's current and relevant.
Number 4, your passions. I'm a teacher because I believe education changes lives.
Wow, that's powerful.
Number 5, something unique. I'm a teacher, but I also love photography. I actually use my photography skills to create learning materials.
Oh, now you're not just a teacher, you're a creative teacher.
Exactly. You become memorable.
Okay, Ali, so what's the perfect structure for an introduction?
Great question. Let me give you the formula. There are 5 parts.
Okay, what's part 1?
Part 1, greeting and name. Hello, I'm Ali. Or, hi there, my name is Iqra.
That's basic, but essential.
Part 2, what you do, plus a conversation hook. I'm a teacher, and I absolutely love helping students become confident English speakers.
So, job plus your feeling or passion about it.
Exactly. Part 3, interesting detail or background. I've been teaching for 5 years, and I've worked with students from over 30 countries.
That's impressive and gives numbers. People remember numbers.
Exactly. Part 4, current situation or recent experience. Right now, I'm working on creating a new course for advanced learners.
That shows you're active and doing things.
Part 5, a friendly closing or question. I love meeting other language enthusiasts. What about you? What do you do?
Ooh, you ended with a question to keep the conversation going.
Exactly. Now, let me put it all together. Here's my complete introduction. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm an English teacher, and I absolutely love helping students become confident English speakers. I've been teaching for 5 years and have worked with students from over 30 countries. Right now, I'm working on creating a new course for advanced learners. I love meeting other language enthusiasts. What about you? What do you do?
That was perfect. It was interesting, friendly, and natural.
Thank you. Now, Iqra, let me hear your introduction using this formula.
Okay, here I go. Hello, I'm Iqra. I'm an English teacher and content creator, and I'm passionate about making English learning fun and accessible. I've been in education for 3 years, and I love using creative methods to help students. Currently, I'm working on a series of podcast-style lessons that make learning feel like conversation. I'd love to know about you. Are you learning English too?
Excellent. That was engaging, warm, and inviting.
Thank you. I used all 5 parts of the formula.
Perfect. So everyone, let's review the 5-part formula. Greeting plus name, what you do plus conversation hook, interesting detail or background, current situation, friendly closing plus question.
This formula works for any situation: job interviews, networking, meeting new friends, parties.
Absolutely. You can adapt it to any context.
Ali, now that we know the right way, what other mistakes should people avoid?
Great question. Let me share 5 more common mistakes.
Okay, mistake number 1.
Mistake 1, speaking too fast and nervously.
Why is this a problem?
When you speak too fast, people can't understand you, and it makes you seem nervous or unconfident.
So we should speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, take your time. Pause between sentences. Let your words sink in.
What's mistake number 2?
Mistake 2, not making eye contact or smiling.
Body language.
Exactly. Your introduction isn't just words, it's your whole presence.
So even if your words are perfect, if you look at the floor and don't smile,
You seem uninterested or unfriendly. Always smile and make eye contact when introducing yourself.
that makes sense. What's mistake 3?
Mistake 3, being too modest or negative.
What do you mean?
Some people say things like, I'm just a student, or I'm only a beginner teacher.
Oh, the words just and only make it sound unimportant.
Exactly. Don't minimize yourself. Instead say, I'm a student studying business, or I'm a teacher just starting my career.
That sounds much more confident.
Mistake 4, giving too much unnecessary information.
Like what?
Some people give their entire life story in the first introduction. Hi, I'm Ali. I was born in Karachi. I went to this school, then that college. I had this job, then that job. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher.
That's too much.
Way too much. Keep your introduction to about 30 to 45 seconds. Give enough to be interesting, but not overwhelming.
And people can ask follow-up questions if they want to know more.
Exactly. And finally, mistake 5, not listening after you introduce yourself.
Explain this one.
After you introduce yourself, the other person will introduce themselves. Some people stop listening because they're still thinking about their own introduction.
Oh, that's rude.
Yes, pay attention when they speak. Ask follow-up questions about what they said.
That shows you're genuinely interested in them.
Exactly. Introductions are a two-way street.
Ali, can we practice introductions for different situations?
Great idea. Let's do 3 scenarios.
Scenario 1, job interview introduction.
Okay, let me demonstrate. Good morning. I'm Ali. Thank you for inviting me today. I'm a certified English teacher with 5 years of experience in online education. I specialize in helping intermediate learners reach fluency through conversational practice. I'm particularly excited about this opportunity because your company's focus on innovative education really resonates with my teaching philosophy. I'd love to tell you more about how my experience could benefit your team.
Wow, that was professional, confident, and showed enthusiasm.
Thank you. In job interviews, emphasize your skills, experience, and why you want the job.
Scenario 2, meeting someone at a party or social event.
Okay, your turn, Iqra.
Hey, I'm Iqra. I don't think we've met before. I work in education. I'm an English teacher and I create online learning content. I actually really enjoy it because I get to be creative and help people at the same time. Tonight, I came with my friend Sarah. Do you know her? What brings you here?
Perfect. That was casual, friendly, and ended with a question.
In social situations, be warm and ask questions to show interest.
Okay, scenario 3, networking event or professional conference.
Okay, you do this one.
Hello, I'm Ali. Great to meet you. I'm an English language educator and curriculum developer. I focus on creating learner-centered materials that make language acquisition more natural and enjoyable. I'm here today because I'm really interested in learning about the latest EdTech innovations. I saw your presentation earlier. It was fascinating. What inspired you to explore that topic?
Excellent! You made a connection by mentioning their presentation.
Yes. In networking, show that you did your homework and make relevant connections.
These 3 scenarios show how to adapt your introduction.
Right, the core formula stays the same, but you adjust the tone and content. Okay, everyone, let's do a practice exercise together.
Yes, we'll guide you through creating your own perfect introduction.
Okay, step 1. Think about your name and add a friendly greeting.
For example, hello, I'm blank. Or, hi there, my name is blank.
Step 2. What do you do? Are you a student, working professional, stay-at-home parent?
Now add a conversation hook. How do you feel about what you do? I'm a student and I'm passionate about, or I work as and I love.
Step 3. Add an interesting detail. How long have you been doing it? Any achievements? Something unique?
For example, I've been studying for 2 years, or I recently completed a big project.
Step 4. What's your current situation? What are you working on now?
Right now, I'm learning, or currently I'm working on.
Step 5. End with a friendly question to keep the conversation going.
What about you? Or are you also interested in? Or what do you do?
Now everyone, pause this video and write your introduction.
Use the formula. Write it down, practice saying it out loud, And after you write it, go to the comments and share your introduction with us.
We'll read it and give you feedback. We're here to help.
This is important practice. Don't skip this step. Ali, let's summarize everything we learned today.
Perfect. Here's the summary. The biggest mistake is being too short and boring. Don't just say your name.
The solution: use conversation hooks, add personality, details, and emotion.
The 5-part formula: greeting plus name, what you do plus conversation hook, interesting detail, current situation, friendly closing plus question.
Mistakes to avoid: speaking too fast, no eye contact or smile, being too modest, giving too much information, and not listening to the other person.
And remember, adapt your introduction to the situation.
Bonus tip 1: practice your introduction out loud before important events.
Yes, don't wing it. Have a prepared introduction ready.
Bonus tip 2: update your introduction regularly as your life changes.
Exactly. If you get a new job or start a new project, update your introduction.
Bonus tip 3: watch how native speakers introduce themselves in movies, podcasts, and interviews.
Great tip. Learn from real examples.
Bonus tip 4: get feedback from friends or teachers on your introduction.
Yes, practice with others and ask, was that interesting? What stood out?
These tips will make your introductions unforgettable.
Wow, what a powerful lesson today.
I know! This will change how people see you.
Your first impression is so important. Now you know how to make it amazing.
Okay, everyone, here's your challenge.
Write your new introduction using the 5-part formula we taught you.
Then go to the comments and share it. Write, "Hi, I'm name. I'm a job or student, and I conversation hook."
We will read every comment and reply with feedback.
This is your chance to practice in a safe, supportive space.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Mastery if you haven't already.
We post daily English lessons that truly make a difference in your learning.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
And give this video a huge thumbs up. If this helped you, it will help others too.
Share it with anyone who's learning English or preparing for job interviews.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
Remember, you are interesting. Your introduction just needs to show it.
Both?
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye,
Bye,
everyone. Practice your introduction.
You've got this.